There's no way that I could have got that photograph if I was shooting on a long lens from 2 streets away. Before we start, I just want to address the viewer who commented and asked why I wear hats inside. And there is a reason. It's because I like wearing hats inside. It's not the hair, it's a beautiful mop. So I'm glad we got that out of the way. So I'm in the cave this week. I've just wrapped the day photography experience, and it was yesterday. Always post this YouTube video. I have been doing it on a Wednesday, and I wanted to get something out for you guys. I haven't had time to get out today. So I've talked previously about the importance of using fear rather than running away from it. Talked about how when we live this side of fear, so there's a challenge and then there's fear and we don't push through. So we're this side of fear. We're governed by our conditioning. We're on autopilot. Things stay the same, nothing changes. We're living in our faults. Oh, if I get that close to a person, they might tell me off. They might think I'm a weirdo. They might give me a slap. I might get struck by lightning. What we do when we push through that, we overcome that fear. This thinking falls away for a little, and then we're more alert, we're more vigilant. There's kind of a feeling of space, like we have more time. And as a consequence, I think we're pretty much guaranteed to get better photographs. However, there's another reason, very practical reason, for my wanting to get in close. Creating a dialogue or a communication when I'm out shooting, with the person perhaps that I'm shooting. Right, Exhibit A. This beautiful lady who me and Katie met in Cornwall last year. And she was so sweet. She must have been in her 80s, and she was with her friend, and they were sitting there. I mean, they could only have been English. You know, they were, her friend was as red as a rooster. There was little sun cream that I could see. Both looked like they were dehydrated. In fact, I asked them, could I get them a drink? And then I did go across, get them some water, bring back the water. And then I asked, got chatting, oh, can I get a photograph of you? And then we got talking, and I got several portraits of her and her friend. And then I got this frame. There's no way that I could have got that photograph. Well, she never would have brought it out if I was shooting on a long lens from 2 streets away. There's no way that would have materialised. It's about digging deep. You're never going to find treasure by just digging down a tad, just digging down a little bit. No, we have to work for it. Otherwise, and I've said this before, we're just shooting on a very kind of a surface level type way of doing things, and our photographs are going to reflect that. You get in close, and it's uncomfortable at times, and you create these little happy accidents for yourself. So it's a bit of a short video this week, isn't it? What else is going on? Oh yeah, I'm in the studio this weekend with Max Bianco, and he's shooting in the Albion Rooms in Margate, which is the Libertines place. I've been working on this long-term project with Max, and I think maybe another year, 18 months, we're kind of going to have it. We're going to have it ready to go. Maybe even before that, maybe the back end of this year. And I've got a whole bunch of footage and stills from the last few years, and I think I'm kind of centered with it now. A theme's materializing. We've got the bones of a really good kind of a music documentary with a really good heart, a really good feel to it, and now it's just about fleshing it out. So shooting, photographing him, playing more gigs, and he's out and about all over the place. Shooting stills, maybe some portraits, some more interviews, and then putting all this stuff together. I'm hoping Carl Barat's going to be there from the Libertines. I've worked with Carl before. I've shot family weddings for them, shot the Libertines in Brighton. I've done some, I worked on a film project for Carl, and I made like created like the music video for the film for the guys. And so hoping he's on there, maybe we can drag him and play on one of the songs. Maybe he'll jump on the piano or something. But I will create a little bit of a video for that as well. Maybe that'll be next week's video. So yeah, I'll sign out Watch the rest of the video though. Some shots of Max, and maybe throw in a few shots of Carlos as well, yeah. Happy days. Out!
Forget the past, you live too fast. The day is new, make it for you. Why dream so blindly narrow? Why think about yesterday when you haven't seen tomorrow? Won't you let me in your room? All I know is how I left so soon. Let's not be scared, try not to care. We better move before we lose, instead of making this an art. Get on your own 2 feet and give me your best shot. Won't you let me in your room? All I want to do is find you soon. Before we try, I won't let this ship sail away.